We've been asked for a demonstration of the use of the fillet command in landscape work. If you look at the design here on the left, notice these sharp angles, which are often difficult to maintain and create, whereas the design on the right-hand side has got some curving in it, and the curve's been placed very quickly and easily by the use of the fillet command. If we zoom in here a little and we pick the polyline that shows the potential path there, it's possible to select any vertex, and I'll click this one on the bottom left and then right click and pick fillet. Now the path is 1200 millimeters wide. This is a metric example, and I can say we'll just fillet that, and you can see the result. The path quickly whips around, and the same can be applied to the inner one. And this time we'll set a smaller fillet of, let's make it a meter. No, sorry, we'll make it 500. It's very easy for this command, in fact, to fail. If I'd used 1200, it would have been very messy. So need a smaller fillet there, and in the path goes. So there we are. We just now have to clean up, and I've done that on the right hand side. Just need to remove some of those other polylines. If we zoom in here, whoops, and pick that, we can easily remove that. And if we zoom in, it won't be quite so easy to select this one. And one way we might be able to do that is use a crossing window, hold shift down, and then we don't want the path in the selection, so we had another polyline in here which was not filled, and we can now eliminate it. So with a little bit of couple of clicks and some little editing, we can make a more interesting shape and get rid of those very sharp angles, which I'm told by most designers we work and avoid those. So I hope that helps show the fillet command in action in a more practical example of it.